Hello guys, so this is Nafiol. Today I'm going to talk about the Klaviyo email marketing tools. Klaviyo is an email marketing and SMS marketing tools that also support automations, and Klaviyo is mostly used for e-commerce businesses whoever want to do email marketing and SMS marketing with their e-commerce products. So in this video I'm going to show you step by step how Klaviyo is working and how you can use it. Okay, so first of all, you will get the link in the description below to sign up a free trial. Then you will have the sign up option here, start for free. So you need to enter your email address, password, your company name. I'm using dummy content for now. So let's create an account. In this case, as I already told you that Klaviyo is a e-commerce focused email marketing and SMS marketing tools. So in that case, it's asking us to select a business platform like Shopify is a e-commerce platform, WooCommerce is a e-commerce platform, BigCommerce, Magento, PrestaShop, Salesforce, all those are e-commerce platform. Okay, so for now I'm going to choose, I don't use any of those. So how many contacts do you have? Now we need to enter address. Okay, so I'm going to do. So now we need to set the sender address. So sender name is Nafiol and sender email address nafiol@gmail.com. Also you can add your domain into Klaviyo, then you can send your personal email address as a sender email address. So that will be something like your domain.com. Okay, so for now I'm going to use this Gmail account. Continue. So let's say building customer relationship, then I'm going to check my email address, confirm my email. Now as you can see, it's first of all it's asking for integration, so I'm not going to do that. I'm going to skip it now. Yeah, welcome your new subscriber. Okay, so skip it now. Skip. Well, so we are in the dashboard of the Klaviyo email marketing tools, and now from right hand side at the top you will see the account option, set up web tracking. Whenever you are using it in your website, then you can set up a web tracking with Klaviyo. So if I go there, so as you can see there is a script that you need to insert in your website inside the body tag. Then you can test your website here. Then the next one is chat. They have a chat support, so if you need their help you can ask in the chat. Then you have Klaviyo status. So it's basically the Klaviyo performance status. So whenever Klaviyo is down or any particular functionality down for Klaviyo, they will update in this page. And here is the upgrade option, so if you want to change the plan you can upgrade it from here. And on the left hand side, first of all there is a dashboard. That's pretty basic things that you need to see. Okay, so then we have the campaigns. So in the campaign, as it's a new account, so there is no campaign in here. So what you can do is you can click create campaign, then you have two options. either you can create a SMS campaign or you can create an email campaign. Okay, so I'm going to select email, then create campaign. Now it's asking for a campaign name and a tag, so we don't have any tag. Let's say ecom. I'm adding a ecom tag, and first email, first email campaign, choose a segment. So in this case we can select a segment from our consumer base. So here is some list of contacts that we have in the account, so you can click one of those. Let's say we want to send email to newsletter subscriber. Okay, so then don't send. So in that case you can select whichever you don't want to send email to. Then we have estimated recipient, the campaign will send approximately 1 people, as we have just one that I have signed up, that's a 1 people. And for the tracking, if you want to add tracking, then you can check on there, otherwise not. Then here is the option for continue. Now you need to write the subject line. So let's say we want to send a welcome email. Welcome to our newsletter. Review text. Sender email address and the name that you can change if you want. So here are some options for writing email address. The first one is drag and drop, and second one is text only. That's basically you see in the Gmail or any other mailing platform. Then the third one is HTML. So whenever you have a custom email template that you want to send to your consumer or the email list subscriber, you can do it. So for now I'm going to do the drag and drop. So if you check this library, you have some pre-made templates that you can actually use. So let's say I want to use this one. Let's say this one. So I clicked on that. Now the template is loaded here. So as you need it, you can actually change all those things. So I clicked on logo, then here is the option for replace image, so you can replace the logo from here. Then for the next image, the similar things, you can replace it, edit it, or you can delete it as well. So here is the delete option, and you can make a copy from here. There is a copy option here, and then we have the text. So if I click on the text, on the left hand side there is the option for changing all this text, and then we have a button that you can see. Here is the option for button link, and you have several options for button as well. So there is the option for button text. Then it's same. Now at the end there is a Klaviyo logo. That's their branding that you can't actually change within this particular plan, but for higher plan you might be able to change this. Okay, so what if we want to add a new image in here? Okay, so what you can do is from the left hand side there is option for image that you can drag and drop wherever you want. Then you can click on that and add an image here. Okay, so that's how this thing is working. And whenever you are done with editing, you can click on save content, and then you can click on continue. Now you can review all those things and schedule the sending time or send right now. Okay, so that's it for the campaign. Then if you go to flow, well, if I click create flow, So what flow is, whenever you are running an e-commerce business and you have a customer base, let's say your customer is purchasing from your website and all this data are synchronized with Klaviyo. Okay, so in that case you can actually send email to your consumer based on their behavior. Okay, so you can check all the flows here. So let's say standard flow, tags ecom, trigger newsletter, or we can click on engage 3 month and create a flow. It's basically an automation system that you can set up for your customer or email subscriber base. So first of all, the trigger one, when someone joined engaged 3-month list, then they will get a thanks for signing up email. Then wait for 3 days and they will get second email that will be follow us on social media. Then wait for 4 days and send an email for check out our best seller, then exit. So what you can do is you can actually edit those email templates. So I click on the first email and on the left hand side you can see there is option for edit or preview. So let's go and check the preview. So this is the preview for the welcome template. So if I want to edit it, then go click on edit, and from here you can click on edit content, and now you will able to edit all this content. So whenever I'm clicking it, on the left hand side the option for change this content. Okay, so that's basically it. So I'm click on done. Then I can change how many days I need to wait. So if I click on that, then you can see it's 3. So let's say I want to wait 1 day and then I want to send the second email. Then the second email I can actually edit it and with my personalized email, and then I need to wait 2 days, then I will send the check the best seller. Okay, so this is the flow in Klaviyo that you can use with your subscriber batch, and you can also create custom flow as well. So it's a ready-made flow that you can actually use by changing all this content and the flow triggering options. So that's all about the flow. So now there is option for email templates. So in here you will see all the email templates you have in your account. Okay, also you can actually create new email template by clicking on that, use classic editor or use new editor. So I prefer to use new editor, and you can click on create template. So there is a tutorial that will show you how the new editor is working, so I don't want to check it right now. So here is the option for creating your email templates. So I'm going to delete it for now. So this is the text that you can change it from here, and however you want you can actually build your template. Then you can click on save and return to the template. So I'm on the template directory again. Then you have sign up form. So whatever email list we have, we can create sign up form for those lists. Like here are some examples that for sign up form, something like this or this or this. You can actually click on that and you can check those things, or you can, if you want, you can actually create your own mail pop-up, email pop-up, and you can create form. Okay, newsletter, and you can click on create form. Then you will able to edit that form. Then we have SMS conversations. So you can set up your SMS. So first of all, you need to grow your SMS list. So if you have a number list that you can import here, then you can actually use this SMS feature. Okay, so then we have the list and segments. Inside the list and segments, that's your email list. So you can segmentation based on your customer behavior. Like someone is purchasing let's say $1,000, you can create a segment for him, and whoever is purchasing more than $10,000, you can create a new segment for him as well. Okay, so based on the user behavior, you can create different segments like this, or you can create list like this. So in that list, you can import any contracts, or you can use a pop-up form for lead generation, or collect your consumer data. So that's basically it. Then we have profiles. So currently it's a single account, so there is no active members on my account. So if you want, you can actually use more user here, then they can actually manage your accounts as well. So then we have analytics. That's a cool feature. Every email marketing platform is not offering this kind of analytics, but Klaviyo is offering. So whenever we will have some campaign data, then the analytics will be shown here. Then we have integration part. So inside integration, you will see lots of integrations with different companies like BigCommerce, Campaign Monitor, ChargeBay, and there are so more. So if you're using one of them, then you can actually connect your Klaviyo account with those platforms. Then we have preferences pages. So what preference pages is, if you click on preferences, then you can see it's an email preferences pages. So whenever your user need to update your email address or his email address, then they can actually use this preferences pages. And there are some other pages that you can actually change the design. And then we have the brand library. So in brand library, you can upload your images, you can upload your logos, your brand assets, so that you can use whenever you create an email template, so you can easily create them. Then we have the tags. So inside tags, as you can see, we have already created an e-com tag, and you can create new tags as much as you want to track your different email campaigns. So that's basically all for Klaviyo. So if you have any other questions, then feel free to comment down below, and for signing up Klaviyo, you will get a link in the description below. Okay, so that's for all today. See you in the next one. Bye.